Today I'm going to show you how to get a Collaborator request code in Shopify. This is a really useful feature if you want to grant temporary access to developers, designers, or other professionals who need to work on your store without giving them full admin rights. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your account using your credentials. Make sure you're logging in with an account that has admin permissions, as you'll need those to access the settings we're about to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Settings. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your store, from payment options to user permissions. Now that you're in the Settings area, direct your attention to the left side panel again. You'll see a list of different settings categories. Click on Users to open up the User Management section. This is where you can control who has access to your store and what level of permissions they have. Under the Users section, you'll notice another option labeled Security. Go ahead and click on that. This security section is specifically designed to help you manage access requests and collaborator codes, making it easy to control who can work on your store temporarily. Once you're in the security settings, you'll see your 4-digit request code displayed right there on the screen. This code is what you'll share with people who need temporary access to your store. You have a few options here. If you want to create a fresh code, you can generate a new one, which will replace the current code. If you need to revoke access completely, you can delete the existing code. And of course, you can simply copy the code and send it directly to the person you want to collaborate with, whether that's through email, a messaging app, or however you prefer to communicate. And there you have it. You now know exactly where to find and manage your Collaborator request code in Shopify, giving you full control over temporary access to your store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.